Hello, welcome to my channel, Victory and Lord. This channel is all dedicated to healing and happiness and how to help women grow business, and really a channel to help women to become all they are meant to be. So this playlist that I've just recorded is called Business Women's Journey, because the purpose of my life is one is to be a blessing and take people on a beautiful adventure. But number two, I want to help people to heal from hurt, insecurity, trauma, stress, all the things that weigh life down. And in order to do that, I need to have a business in the background that helps people. So this particular playlist is called Business Women's Journey, and it is to show you the behind the scenes of what goes into creating a business based around healing and happiness. So this episode is how to use Trello. So I've decided that Trello is my platform for keeping all my content on, and I'll show you why. I'll share my screen with you. If you're jumping on, it's so exciting to have you. I'm really excited to share this with you, the process. So this is Trello, and the reason why I chose Trello is because you can put pictures in it, so it's nice and bright and you can see where you're at. I've used some other platforms and it's not as visual as this, and I like the way that I can see the pictures. So with Trello, on the side here, you've got different boards that you can create. So what I'm creating at the moment is a 5-day challenge, and I'll show you the book that goes with it. So the challenge is called Boldly Become You. So you can see right here that I've got the bold theme happening. So with Trello, we have different, it's over here, I'll show you, lists that we can create. So you just press create another list over here. But the way that I'm mapping out this, this program is you can put everything in the right order that you want it in. So at the moment I've got my client's journey. So I'll start off with where my client is now and where they want to go, and how I will guide them and what they'll receive once they finished working with me. And then I have the missions and the values that go behind the brand that I'm creating. And I've got the process and the tools that are needed. And then, so I'll show you how it goes on. So over here in the process and tools, I have a to-do list. So the to-do list behind a business, I'm going to do videos on all of this as well, so that you'll see how it's all done. So the mission, and I have my to-do list. So step one is to create a mission and vision that's clearly displayed. And then step two is to create a mindset manifestation affirmation for myself that I listen to daily. And then it's to fill in the calendar dates. I've got the calendar behind me. Some of these things are not done, but as I go and they're done, I have another list down the bottom, which is a done list, which is exactly the same as the to-do list. So for example, I've got here on my to-do list, the mission and vision clearly displayed. So my mission over here, if I go to the business mission, is the purpose of the Empowered You project, which is where I'm holding the community for this, is to guide women to become all they are meant to be, to live no longer in fear or anxiety, but instead to choose the courage over comfort. So that is the mission. And then I've got a lifestyle goal. My lifestyle goal is to work 3 days a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And I've got a finance goal and an impact goal. So when I come over here to my to-do list, the mission and vision clearly displayed, I can come over to my done list now. And because it's done, I take it off the done list. So I'm working off a list right here. Tools that need to be done, or the to-do list, and then the done list. And so then I go to the next one, and the mindset meditation. I recorded that and it's ready to listen to. So I go to my done list and I take it off. And the same thing goes for the next one. I got my calendar dates filled in. I haven't filled the calendar dates yet, so it's not taken off the list. It's still there. But I've got my sell by chat script ready, so that's taken off the list. I've got my Calendly set up, so that's taken off the list. So slowly you go through all this and you tick off everything that needs to be done in the program. And then So part of my to-do list, if you can see it on here, it was to create some ads. I've already created the ads. So it's taken off the to-do list. And so if you go over to the next part of the program, this is the ads. So I've created 6 ads to go with the Boldly Become You 5-day challenge. And then, so that's the lead in. I'll show you a video on how to do that. So make sure you follow this playlist, Businesswomen's Journey, so that you don't miss the videos. And then I come over here, and this is what I will be offering the group. So after they do the free 5-day challenge, I'm going to offer them a Bold Connections Mastermind, which is where all the women come together and we get to mastermind how to create a wonderful life. Okay, and then we keep going. And then, so then once I've got the ads ready, I come back to my to-do list and I take it off. And I've got my upsell ready, which is down here. And then I take it off the list. And so we keep on going. So on the to-do list, we keep coming over, and then it's got create the landing page for a $7 offer and a $197 offer. So these courses I've already created. This is what's called, in the business world, they call it a funnel. Or a value offer. That's some value offers that people can join. And then I come over here and back on the to-do list over here, we've actually got create an email sequence. So the email sequence is done, so I can come over to done list, done, and take it off. So I hope this makes sense. This is why I use Trello. It's easy to track. And then over here, we've got the 5 days of content that's created over 5 days. So day 1, we'll understand the 6 human needs. Day 2, understand values, and it goes on like that. So the purpose of this board, like I said, is visual, and it's really easy to track. So the 3 pillars that I want to talk about in my business, one is mindset. So you can, on the left-hand side, you can create another tab or board for mindset. And the other subject I wanted to talk about is healing and happiness. And one of my most favorite subjects is imagination, because what we believe we receive. And so they're my three pillars on the side here. So when you come over here, and I'm going to do a different video for you on how you can create all this content in without taking weeks. So all this content for healing and happiness, it can do it fast, because, and then all this information for imagination. So all of this information or content will be turned into little videos and pictures for Instagram and YouTube and Facebook. And it doesn't have to take you like so long. You can structure your days out so that you can fit this in. But that's a Trello rundown. Why I like Trello. And when you come into your post, so we'll go over here. So when you come in to your post, you can write down some more about what's happening in your program. So you can keep it all here. So once you've got it in your Word document, you can put it into here, or you can write straight in here. You just go and edit it in here. So you've got all your content in here for day after day. And then you're just going to go to your schedule and then go and place it all in to your Facebook or your Instagram. So I hope you found that useful. Excited for the next video. Next one's all about how to create the content for your Trello board. So see you in the next video. Bye.